I wonder what kind of envelope is. You mean envelope?
It's obviously pronounced envelope.
What if we ask the people who made it?
That sounds like a great idea.
Before we answer our question, we need to find out how envelopes are made. To do this, we need to travel to the place where they manufacture them. This is United Envelope, a factory in Mount Pocono, Pennsylvania, where they produce about 10 million envelopes per day. Now, let's learn what's so cool about manufacturing envelopes. Let's start our manufacturing journey by speaking to those professionals that bring life to the envelope. The process would not run smoothly without United Envelope supervisor, Jim Vaughn.
My job is to make sure that people are at all the machines where they're supposed to be.
Not everyone in a factory works on the production floor. Lots of people have office jobs. These people keep everything running smoothly.
So it's my job to make sure that the adjusters are getting the correct jobs and the correct materials, the correct revisions for the jobs. Definitely. If you like creativity, it's really cool to see how a big roll of paper turn into an envelope.
There are lots of different machines used to make the envelopes, which start as giant rolls of paper. One whole area is dedicated to putting color on the envelopes.
My job at United Envelope is to formulate color if customers need special mixing and to okay every color that's on the machine out there.
If a machine breaks, there are mechanics on site to help fix it. There's also someone to help with computer problems. This saves a lot of time and money, and is very convenient.
I'm the guy behind the scenes making all the equipment work together.
Any envelope scraps, called chips, left over from production are recycled. A machine called a baler is used to turn them into bales to be sent to a recycling center.
The most important part of producing envelopes is the safety factor. People need to be aware at all times of the machinery, just be aware of their surroundings.
Now that we know what's so cool about manufacturing, it's time to answer our question. Envelope or envelope?
I say envelope.
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 The envelope.
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 It's not envelope, it is definitely envelope.
No, envelope, not envelope. Said by the professionals themselves.
And even better, now we know what's so cool about manufacturing.